What is up, everybody? Supreme Kyle here. Today I'm bringing you guys another Bearbrick review video. We have the Faze Clan times 1000% Bearbrick here. Appreciate all the support on my last video going over this Andy Warhol multicolor 1000%. I'll leave a link below if you haven't seen that already. And if you guys do want to see more actual unboxing videos of me unboxing these things, leave me a comment below. Let's jump right into the review here. All right, guys, so this Faze Bearbrick released in April 2020 for around $575 retail, somewhere kind of in that range. It's hard to get an exact number, but right now it's reselling for about 500 to 600 bucks, somewhere in that range on StockX. So if you guys are interested in kind of looking for one of these, I'll definitely leave a link below to StockX for you guys. I think it's very cheap for this 1000%, considering that the 400 and 100% set kind of go for about $250 to $300. So getting this much larger piece for about 500, 600 bucks, I think is much more worth it. And if you really want a true, big display piece, I would really kind of upgrade to this here, because I think eventually it's going to go up over time as well. Getting into the actual size of this Bearbrick, it's a 1000%. It measures 27.5 inches or about 2.3 feet. I believe that's around 70 centimeters, something like that for the conversion there. Versus this 400% is about 11 inches. And this 100% is about 2.75 inches. So really a big size comparison, as you guys will be able to see. I'll kind of do some B-roll footage and whatnot so you can kind of see the different sizes and all that. But this 1000% is just so much larger than these little guys, which is why a lot of people prefer to just collect these 1000% Bearbricks instead of kind of these 400 and kind of some of the other sizes they make as well. Bearbrick does make a lot of different sizes. I think they also make a 200%. I'm sure they're gonna be making more in the future here, but these are the only sizes they make right now, at least for the Faze kind of release. Again, they might make more in the future, but right now you basically only have the 1000 and the 400 and the 100, which came in kind of just like a set together. Moving on to the boxes here, I mean, you can definitely see huge differences kind of in the size of these actual boxes. This one being the 400% here, which is, a pretty small looking box compared to this jumbo box that is the 1000%, here. So one thing to keep in mind if you do buy these, it is a bit difficult to kind of ship these big 1000%. So I would recommend kind of selling them on StockX, because you basically get free shipping on the seller side. Usually they'll pay for it, or basically the buyer will kind of pay for it. Or, again, eBay's a good option as well, but just kind of, keep in mind you're probably going to be paying 50, 100 bucks for shipping as well. And also keep the original box that it came in, and the shipping box makes it a lot easier to kind of, buy and sell these. Kind of throughout the whole box here, of course, you'll see like the iconic red tiger, Call of Duty camo throughout. I think it looks amazing. It really kind of pops here, especially with kind of the Faze logo here, right in the middle. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Kind of, highlights Faze's roots kind of in Call of Duty back in, I think it was 2010 when they were founded, but really cool looking box. Obviously matches kind of the Bearbrick in general with just the red camo kind of throughout. Obviously, the big poppin', Faze logo here, which really looks great on this piece. Getting into more of the actual Bearbrick here, it, again, obviously matches the box. There really isn't too much crazy going on with this. You can, again, see kind of the red camo really throughout. You kind of have some Faze Clan logoing as well on different parts of this. And again, just a huge Faze logo there in black and white. But other than that, it's a pretty simple kind of looking piece, but I think it definitely, stands out. I think it's great to have in kind of your gaming setup room if you're really into Faze or gaming, or even just Bearbricks in general. It's just a really cool, huge display piece that, if someone's interested in it, I think it's going to be a great, conversation, starter. So on these Bearbricks, you can adjust the arms as well as the hands, also the legs and a few different parts. I try not to play around too much with it because I don't want to really break them. And one thing also to keep in mind is when you are moving different things, is to just make sure it's kind of standing upright when you actually display it, because you definitely don't want to damage this or for it to fall and all that. So just kind of make sure, it's basically secure, whether you have it standing or if you have it kind of, seated here, because you really don't want to break a $600, piece just by it falling on the ground or something like that. But it certainly would look great kind of in a living room. Again, next to your gaming setup, I think there's a lot of different places you can kind of, put this, and it will stand out and really, just kind of really add that finishing touch to a room and just be something really cool to be able to kind of display. Back into the sizing again here. Again, this is 2.5 feet tall, so, or a little bit under 2.5 feet tall, so you're definitely going to need the space to be able to display that. So that's one thing to kind of keep in mind versus this little 400% and 100% is really good for like a small kind of desk setup. So if you don't really want this huge one, I think it is a good option to kind of, go down and buy this 400 and 100%, set as a different kind of smaller option to kind of get you into this. If you like that, then maybe you kind of upgrade to this guy here. So some background on Faze itself. They were started around 2010, mainly kind of had their roots in Call of Duty, and really now they've grown to this huge gaming clan, probably the biggest in the world right now, across several different games. They have a lot of different teams. They partner with a lot of celebrities and all that. So Faze has really grown, as well as just the esports and gaming scene kind of in general here. So for me, I've always kind of played Call of Duty. I've always, kind of liked Faze as well. So I thought this piece was just so cool since I was getting into Bearbricks, this being my second review here. I just thought I had to have it, especially for a great price around, I think I paid 400 ship for this, which was absolutely insane off some guy on eBay. So I really couldn't beat that. And again, I just absolutely love the look of this piece, and it really, stands out kind of next to my gaming setup as well. I think a lot of people really just kind of enjoy looking at it, or they're just kind of shocked by it. So if you like Faze or just gaming kind of in general, this is a really fun piece. I think the red and black really stick out well, and again, it's just so cool to kind of display kind of in different places, look at, and I think it's also kind of an investment too, because I think, and I'll kind of talk about this a bit later, I think the pricing on this is kind of going to slowly go up. I think right now it's really cheap, around this $500 or $600 level, so it can also be like an investment piece that you can also kind of enjoy, display, and all that. So more on the actual pricing of this, I think in a year's time it could definitely be $800 to $1,000, somewhere kind of in that range. There's a lot of similar Bearbricks that, especially with this size of the 1000%, that go easily for over $1,000. So I could definitely see this slowly kind of increase in price, especially with all the clout around, Faze Clan. Especially, I think more and more people are going to kind of, want this to kind of, put in their room, especially next to their gaming setup. So I could easily see this go over $1,000 in the next year, maybe even more. So if you are interested in this, I think now is the time to buy this. Again, just keep in mind with, if you're just buying to flip it quick, it is not cheap to kind of ship this. So I think it's definitely something good to kind of hold on to as kind of an investment on the side as you kind of just, put it wherever. And kind of enjoy it. I think it's just something, fun to add to your collection, whether, you're just getting into Bearbricks or you just want kind of like a gaming piece that kind of I think is great for both of those types of people. And so where to buy this? My recommendation would be on StockX. I think they have the easiest kind of process of all the different sites. You can also buy and sell it on eBay. Is also kind of a good option there. If you're looking to get these for retail, they're pretty, it kind of depends on the different piece, but usually you can definitely get them for retail. There are some English sites that do carry these. Normally you'll have to kind of pre-order, let's say, 6 months in advance. So you can definitely look around and see, if you're able to kind of cop one for retail that, that you like. But typically when these release, as long as the hype isn't too crazy, normally you'll be able to kind of cop them on StockX for a pretty close to retail price. So I would kind of just recommend doing that, or maybe even sniping kind of an auction or kind of a listing on eBay is also a good option. But yeah, you can definitely go out there and look and see, which sites kind of carry these and the upcoming, colorways and collaborations. So my thoughts on this Bearbrick, I absolutely love it. The colors are amazing. It's great next to my gaming setup, all that. I think it's just such a fun kind of piece to be able to display. And Bearbricks are usually pretty good at actually keeping their value. So again, if you are looking for something to put 500 or 600 bucks in, maybe in like a few years, this will be $1,000. You get to kind of enjoy it in your home, but also kind of, keep its value. So that's something I like about these different collectible toys, is that usually they're pretty good at holding their value or even kind of increasing. Some people also display these boxes alongside the Bearbrick. You just kind of need to have the room to be able to do that. So that's just one thing to kind of keep in mind, that these are so large, you really need kind of a dedicated spot for these, unless you're gonna just kind of put them on the ground somewhere or something. But there is people that also kind of put these in glass cases and all that. I personally just like to display the actual figure and kind of keep the box hidden away, but everyone has different thoughts and different space and kind of all that. I think either option would certainly look good. I think I mentioned this earlier, but if you do think this 1000 is too big or it's too expensive, it's definitely a good option to buy that 400 and 100% set. currently going for about $250. Kind of get you into these Bearbricks, these different kind of collectible toys, as well as be a nice little thing to kind of display on your desk, next to your PC or your kind of gaming console. So I think that's definitely a great option as well. So that's my review of this 1000% Bearbrick times Faze Clan here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, check out my other videos, do all that, guys. And until next time, peace.